You might know GMC today for their popular trucks and SUVs like the Sierra 1500 and the Terrain. But did you know that this iconic brand actually started out as a small commercial truck company? And when I say small, I mean really small. Their first vehicle, the 1901 Model 1, was a 2.2-ton truck powered by a 4-cylinder engine. To put that in perspective, today's light-duty trucks typically start around 6,000 pounds. It wasn't until 1909 that the company was acquired by General Motors and rebranded as GMC, which originally stood for General Motors Company. This acquisition gave GMC the resources and expertise of an established automaker, setting the stage for over a century of innovation and growth. In the early years, GMC's engineers faced a unique set of challenges. On one hand, they had to build trucks that were durable, reliable, and capable of handling the toughest conditions. At the same time, they were working with the constraints of the technology available at the time. For example, in the early days of trucking, there weren't many options when it came to tires. Most trucks used solid tires, which were much more durable than pneumatic tires, but also much less comfortable to ride on. It wasn't until the 1920s that pneumatic tires started to become more common on trucks, allowing for smoother rides and increased load capacity. Another challenge was the lack of standardized parts. Unlike today's mass-produced vehicles, early trucks often had parts that were custom-made, which could lead to reliability issues and made repairs more difficult. GMC engineers worked tirelessly to develop innovative solutions to these challenges, creating new designs and improving existing ones to make sure that GMC trucks were up to the task, no matter what the conditions. One of their most notable early innovations was the introduction of the one-piece casting for the front axle. This design not only made the trucks more durable, but also easier to repair, which was a huge selling point for commercial users. But perhaps the biggest challenge for GMC came during the two world wars when their vehicles were put to the ultimate test. During World War I, GMC supplied more than 40,000 trucks to the U.S. military, which helped the Allies achieve victory. In World War II, GMC played an even bigger role, producing over 500,000 trucks, as well as aircraft components and other vital supplies. This widespread use of GMC vehicles in combat showed the world just how tough and dependable they were, which helped to build the brand's reputation for excellence. After the wars, GMC continued to push the boundaries of design and engineering, introducing new features that made their trucks even more capable and efficient. In the 1950s, they introduced advanced suspension systems that provided a smoother ride and improved handling. In the 1960s, they developed heavy-duty engines that delivered more power and torque, making them ideal for hauling heavy loads. And in the 1970s, they created versatile utility vehicles that could be adapted to a wide range of uses, from construction to farming to off-road adventures. Throughout all of this, GMC never lost sight of their commercial roots. They continued to work closely with businesses to develop trucks and SUVs that met their specific needs, offering a variety of customization options to help them stand out on the job site or the open road. But GMC didn't just focus on function. They also paid attention to form. They knew that their customers wanted vehicles that looked as good as they performed, which is why they put so much effort into the design and styling of each model. From the sleek lines of the 1955 GMC truck to the bold, distinctive look of the Hummer H1, GMC vehicles have always turned heads wherever they go. Today, GMC stands as a testament to the power of engineering excellence and a commitment to quality. What started out as a small commercial truck company has evolved into a major force in the automotive world, producing some of the most powerful, reliable, and innovative trucks and SUVs on the market. And while the company has changed a lot over the years, one thing has remained constant. The GMC badge is a symbol of strength, dependability, and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or a weekend warrior, a GMC vehicle is sure to get the job done while looking good doing it. So the next time you see a GMC on the road, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and engineering excellence that went into making it. Who knows? You might just learn something new about one of the most iconic brands in automotive history.